Let's practice words with egg. EG makes the egg sound. B, egg. Beg. J, egg. Jeg. K, egg. Keg. L, egg. Leg. N, egg. Neg. P, egg. Peg. Egg. Reg. S, egg. Seg. V, egg. Vague. Read each word. Thanks for watching. Remember to shine bright. Happy learning.